blessing children. My dad has a YouTube channel called Rising Star 77. He also has very good content like song, food, health, and other subjects. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!
Oh, just watch the view of the ocean in Laguna Beach. That's why I want to take this video. It's so beautiful drive. Huh? Yeah, ocean is right there. So you see a lot of houses there. Oh, today is February 20th. February 20th. Wow, we are at the Laguna Beach. The weather is very lovely. A lot of people today at the beach. As you can see here, that's the downtown Laguna Beach. Downtown Laguna Beach. And you can see it's beautiful weather, superb. You see the hilltop there, a lot of houses, very beautiful houses. Yeah, I can zoom in. You see there? Those are the hilltop houses. I'm sure it's $1 million houses. Sky is clear, beautiful weather. You see the United States flag. See, you have Baywatch right there. I'm going towards my mom. Kesa? My mom and daughter. My daughter is coming. Where is it? Oh my goodness. So I was taking a video. Yeah, check it. Yeah. Just show my you can so the background here the follow yeah. Yeah. Here my glass, sunglass. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, Laguna Beach. This is a very popular beach in Los Angeles. For my place, this is a little bit far. It takes at least 1 hour to 10 minutes. from LAX airport to Laguna Beach. Đó baby.
Đây xuống rồi lại.
Không là baby. That's it. Cái mà con catch up. Laguna Beach. Not kind of. It kind of tastes like after 2 months.
You better not come towards me. Oh! Oh no!
Sorry, sir.
Wait, Abba, hold this. I want to touch the water.
Yeah, you. Yeah, the ocean wave. Baby, mana baju dah? Kita. Mana baju? Oh, yeah, what is? Yeah, comes very nice. Go. Watch for the waves.
Minutes later.
My daughter and my mom feeding the pigeons in Laguna Beach. Mama, how's you? Because how's my langa me disturb you? Too short, too small.